Hey, if you guys ever heard of Marvel Mystery Oil and you wanted to know how to add it to your fuel system to treat your fuel, stay with me in this video. I'm going to show you all the steps that it takes to add this thing to your fuel to do a good fuel treatment on any of your vehicles. Let's get at it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To all my longtime subscribers, you guys know the drill. Welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget, if you enjoy the content, hit that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date with all things DIY that I do around the house and on my vehicles. Guys, today I got a short, easy video that you're going to want to save and share with your friends, and it's how to do a fuel treatment on any of your vehicles. Now, this is Marvel Mystery Oil, and it's a fuel treatment additive that you can add to either your engine oil or to your gasoline. I know it sounds crazy, but yes, it works. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and how to apply it so you guys can do a fuel treatment on your own if you ever wanted to. Now, doing a fuel treatment on your vehicle is one of the easiest DIY maintenance things that you can do, and it can help clean your fuel system, improve performance, and it might even save you a little money at the pump just by increasing the longitude and the life expectancy of your engine. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Follow the step-by-steps. As usual, I'll leave links in the description and timestamps so you guys can follow along easy. But don't worry, it's pretty easy. You just stay with me. We'll get this done. Let's get at it. First of all, what is a fuel treatment or a fuel system cleaner? Basically, Marvel Oil, and there are a bunch of different ones on the market, but it's basically a chemical additive that you're going to pour into your gas tank or into your engine oil, and it works its way through the fuel lines, injectors, combustion chamber, and helps remove all those carbon deposits and gunk that build up inside the engine over time. Now, if your car feels a little sluggish, you get poor gas mileage, or it kind of hesitates whenever it's accelerating, this is something that can make a noticeable difference. I personally like to do this every 2 oil changes or so. I don't want to do it all the time, but I'll do it at least once a year and a half or whatever. I'll put it in and I'll get the fuel treatment going so that my car or my truck runs well all the time. I drive this thing a lot, so I need it to be running all the time, and that's why I do the fuel treatment. Now, there's a bunch of fuel treatments on the market: Chevron, Techron, Lucas, Gumout, Seafoam. They all pretty much do the same thing. Just make sure you grab one that says that it's safe for your type of engine, gasoline or diesel or whatever it is. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using, like I said, the Marvel Mystery Oil, but you guys follow the directions on the one that you're using and you should be good to go. Now, the first step, of course, is adding this thing to your gas tank. Now, here's a little caveat. The best time for you guys to add the fuel treatment is when your tank is low or when you're on your way to fill it up. Now, that way the cleaner can mix evenly with the fresh fuel, and that way you can get the maximum effectiveness whenever you add this thing to your engine. So, if you're at the gas station or right before you go and get a fill up, you can go ahead and put this thing in. If you have a cap on your tank, you can take it out and try and pour a little bit down in there to make sure that it goes past the cap and the inner safety valve that's inside. In some cases, you won't be able to do that, like in my case. So what you can do is you can use a little screwdriver or a long enough screwdriver and push it in past the first opening, and there's another latch down below that you just need to depress a little bit for it to engage the valve to open it so that you can pour the fuel treatment in. Most bottles are designed to treat 1 full tank of gas, but it's always important to just read the instructions on the back. Some treatments call for half a bottle, which is my case, or a measured amount depending on your gas tank. Now, it's pretty easy once you've depressed the valve on the inside, or you may not have one, you just pour it in, and that's it. Super easy, no other tools required. You just pour in the required amount and you're pretty much done. That's it. Once you added the cleaner, all you need to do is fill up your gas tank as you normally would and drive it as you normally would. The cleaner is going to run through your entire fuel system, and as you burn the tank of gas, you might notice a little smoother acceleration, better idling, or even improved gas mileage. Easy. And that's how simple it is and easy to add the fuel treatment to any of your vehicles. It's cheap, quick, easy, and at the end of the day, it's going to improve gas mileage on your vehicle. Now, if you guys found this video helpful, definitely please hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more DIY car tips, tricks, and everything DIY around the house. Also, drop a comment below if you've got a favorite fuel treatment that you like to use and that you swear by. Again, I'm always open to discussion and banter with you guys. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.